Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a hammock on a hill or incline, quite a slope. There's a certain way you need to do this because I live in hills and I set my hammock on the hills all the times, and I've spent quite a few times, you know, through the years of putting it up where I can, and it's just not comfortable. You need to only do it the one way I found, which is actually good, because you've got a hill like this. You can set up down the hill, diagonally, horizontally, however you think's best because of what the tree situation is, but you do need to find some trees in a certain position on the hill, otherwise you don't get a good lay and your tarp above is never in the right position.
Every time I think I'm gonna wake up back in the jungle. Every time I think I'm gonna wake up back in the jungle. Right,
Peter's already setting up his hammock behind me. I'm going to set up between this tree here and the one he's on. And the hill, as you can see, it runs this way, so it's running downhill. It's quite steep as you go up there. We've picked an area where it's not too bad actually, but I have camped on quite steep hills. Yeah, so I found over the years, if you don't do it like this, you end up suffering, especially when you've set the whole thing up with your tarp and everything. And you know, when you're first doing it, you don't realise it in your mind. You're just thinking, well, this is normal, this is how I usually set up, and it doesn't come to any thought in your head that on a hill you're not going to get the levels, even though the ground's level to what you're standing on. But the trees are always going to be completely different. So it's important that you think about this. Yeah, I'll set hammocks up all sorts of ways on these hills, and the best way is this way. Or if you know a better way, you let me know. I'd love to hear it, because having a good lay, especially if you're in that hammock all night, is important that you're comfortable. Having whoopee slings is a massive help as well when it comes to getting a really good control and adjustment. If you're new to hammocking, whoopee slings and all that, it's a bit sort of like, I don't understand it, so it sort of does my head in a bit, but believe me, when you get the perfect hammock set up and you've got all your gear correct, there's no way you wouldn't go back from whoopee slings. I would never go back to straps where I've got hardly any adjustment. This feels like it's going to be low, but we'll sit in it, stretch it, and then readjust it. In fact, this ain't too bad. That's perfect, really. It's low, but I don't like my hammock too high. I like my hammock where I can sit in it. I like a hammock where I can just sit in it with my legs like I'm on a chair, knees bent, sort of a 90-degree angle. That's how I like a hammock, so you can sit comfortably, do stuff, chat to people. This doesn't dig into the back of the legs, and this is the perfect lay, really. So if I flick it out now, I get a diagonal. Nothing better than a proper lay, 1 foot on the floor. It's so comfortable. And the reason I say you need to put your feet this side, because on that side it's going to be lower, so you'll find it a bit harder to get in and out, especially if because you're kicking back to stand up. Let's have a look, see what it's like. Wow, this is a hill. He fell over. Right, so I've just come around the other side of the hammock. Already, I can't get my feet on the ground, I'm swinging. And if I try and get up, I'm going to slip because I'm trying to push uphill. So, the best way to hang a hammock is at this angle. Going across the hill. So you're going across the hill, top of the hill's up there, bottom's behind me. I'm going across and I get out facing the top of the hill. It is the most comfortable lay and easy access to your hammock. Peter's just having a little swing, he's doing what he wants to do over there, but if he was to use it as an overnight, he would do it the way I've just described. He'd find it a lot easier. So thanks for watching. I appreciate all my views and my subscribers. Thanks a lot. This is just a quick little tutorial on how to hang a hammock on a hill. I've never seen a video on it, and I thought I'd do it because I found it frustrating when I first tried to do this. I just didn't have a sort of like, you don't think about it, and then once you've done it a few times over the times I've done it, because I live in the hills, I find this is the best. I just want to share the information. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like if you like the video, and hit the subscribe if you haven't already. So thanks a lot, appreciate all the views. See you on the next one. Bye.